Join me as I dive deep into my expert analysis of Pltr stock right now and see if I can spot the next big move. Palantir Technologies, or Pltr, has been a name on everyone's lips in the tech and investment world. This company has made waves with its unique approach to data analytics and its bold claims about changing the game. But what's really going on with Pltr, and is it a stock that you should be keeping an eye on? Pltr has been facing some tough times lately, with market volatility being a major player. The stock has seen some significant swings, leaving investors wondering what's next. Competition in the data analytics space is also heating up, with big players like Google and Amazon vying for market share. And then there's the financial performance. Pltr has reported some losses in the past, which can be a concern for investors. These challenges are significant, but they also present opportunities for growth and innovation. One of the biggest challenges facing Pltr is the competitive landscape. With so many big players in the space, it's tough for Pltr to stand out. The company has been working to differentiate itself with its unique approach to data analytics, but it's a tough battle. Another challenge is the financial performance. Pltr has reported some significant losses in the past, which can be a concern for investors. Can the company turn things around and start reporting profits? The market volatility has also been a concern for Pltr investors. The stock has seen some significant swings, which can be unsettling for those with a lot riding on it. But volatility can also present opportunities. If you're able to buy in at the right time, you could be looking at some significant gains. The question is, can Pltr stabilize and provide a solid return on investment? Pltr's recent partnership with various government agencies and corporations has been a significant development. These partnerships have not only brought in revenue but have also validated the company's technology. The latest earnings report showed some promising signs, with revenue growth that's worth noting. However, the market trends are always shifting, and Pltr needs to stay ahead of the curve to keep its momentum. The company's focus on AI and machine learning has been a major selling point, and it's clear that this is where the future of data analytics lies. By leveraging these technologies, Pltr is well positioned to make a big impact. The partnerships and earnings reports are just the beginning. It's how Pltr continues to innovate and adapt that will really matter. Pltr's recent stock performance has been a mixed bag. There have been some significant highs and lows, which can be concerning for investors. But the company has also shown some resilience, bouncing back from setbacks and continuing to push forward. The question on everyone's mind is, what's next for Pltr stock? The company's strategy going forward will be critical in determining its success. Will Pltr be able to continue its growth trajectory, or will it face more challenges? One thing's for sure, the data analytics space is only going to get more competitive, and Pltr needs to stay ahead of the curve. So, what's the critical insight that could influence Pltr's stock price going forward? For me, it comes down to innovation and execution. If Pltr can continue to innovate and deliver on its promises, I think the stock has a lot of potential. But if the company stumbles or fails to adapt, it could be a different story. The strategy that Pltr has been pursuing is focused on growth and expansion. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, which should help it stay ahead of the curve. But will it be enough to drive the stock price up? In terms of performance, Pltr has shown some promising signs. The company has reported some significant revenue growth, and the partnerships with government agencies and corporations have been a major boost. But the competition is only going to get tougher, and Pltr needs to stay on its toes. To summarize, Pltr is a company with a lot of potential, but it's not without its challenges. From market volatility to competition and financial performance issues, there are plenty of things that could go wrong. But if you're looking for a stock that's got a lot of potential for growth, Pltr is definitely worth keeping an eye on. If you've got thoughts on Pltr stock, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're interested in more stock analysis and insights, be sure to check out this other video on my channel where we dive into the latest trends and opportunities in the tech space.